Oh, beautiful. Good, yeah. Just do. Yeah, keep further. Yeah. Yeah, this is great. We can just walk down here. Been riding for a few hours. We're both starving, so we've found this pine forest, this old logging route. Beautiful forest. So we're going to set some gear up now. So tarp up in case it really hammers it down. At least we've got some shelter over us. Going to cook some tea and then we can get back on the open road after. Here's the bikes, the setup, long rider gear, awesome gear. Yeah, James is set up. He's just taking his panniers off. Got all the gear in here. These boxes carry everything. Brilliant. Yeah, so it's nice. So we've got a bit of cover by the trees on the canopy, but we're just going to put some safety measures up. And that'll be us. We'll get back to you. So what you could do.
I'm on it. Just chuck the lot in, yeah?
Yeah. That'll do. In goes the colour. That'll do. Come on. Let's get the shade left and right, that's it. So, yeah.
It's a good tool, that, isn't it?
Brilliant tool. I'll just
because you could use that like an axe as well if you were stuck, couldn't you, to chop wood or whatever?
Yeah.
Hang on. Jesus Christ.
I just thought that myself. Sorry, mate. Wonder if foxes and rabbits like onion.
We're about to find out, dude.
Or deer. There'll be deer in this forest. Can you hear the chainsaw?
Yeah.
Can't be working on a Sunday.
Well, this trail hasn't been driven for a while, has it? So even if they are, not overly worried.
That'll do. Lift that lid for us, James, please. Do you want the glove? Oh, get that in there. That's lovely, jubbly that.
Lift it off the blade.
Yeah.
We'll get it in. Beautiful.
That's that. Tranquility.
It's fucking awesome this way. Fuck me.
Tranquility.
Fuck me. Oh, those potatoes look good, don't they?
Yeah, we'll just get that in there.
How much water have we got? About.
Have we got another one of them?
No. But we have got 2 cans of cider if we get stuck. Or rainwater.
Rainwater do good.
Right, we'll leave that.
The next
yeah, next bubble up, I'll take it.
fire's going nice. Spices. Bit of mixed herbs. Yeah, we'll put that in after for a bit of. Two of these.
Bit of stock going in.
That's a nice little top up after. That is beef gravy with red wine stock. Beautiful.
That warms up, dude.
And now we'll do spice rack.
You're going to spice it up a bit, dude.
I'm going to put some mixed herbs, which is that one. Yeah, mixed herbs. Good bit of mixed herbs in there. Salt. I'll do for now. Because there's salt in the actual, yeah, the beef, you know, the beef pods.
Yeah.
So that'll do. Bit of pepper. Because it's cold outside and we want it a bit warm. That'll do for now.
It's cold, it's gone down to 5 degrees. We could use the jack bottle and sear it off, but I like the idea of just...
Yeah. It is what it is. We're no messing about. Just grab that out. There we go. And all the flavours off the stock. We'll mix around. And we'll put the lid on. Let that simmer down now.
A little bit more water, couldn't we?
That's not too bad, James, to be fair. You don't need to be covered. Put the lid on half, just like that. Put some more logs on fire. Oh, it's brilliant, Leanne. Absolutely awesome. Oh, Leanne, look at that. What the master chef's cooking for me and James. Oh, look at the beautifulness of that. Oh my goodness. You're going to eat all that? Me and James, yeah. We don't eat it. The rabbits can. Oh, that's just lovely, isn't it? This is camp. Camp 21. These machines can take you anywhere. Absolutely unbelievable. Beautiful forest. Been riding for hours, so we're starving. We've managed to find this old logging route through the pine forest. We set up our tarp just in case it rained, and it did, so we're lucky. And we've been preparing our supper or tea, whichever one you want to call it. There it is, bit of beef stew. We've got onions, we've got leek, we've got a bit of broccoli, we've got nice lean beef,
sticking weight?
We've got carrots. No. Got carrots. Got everything. Oh my god. Taste is amazing. James, I think James, we could prepare some more flour.
Yep, on it, dude.
And water. Just to give it that little extra bit of thickening.
It smokes out. Need some water.
Bit of water off the tarp.
Lumps out. Will do, do you reckon?
Yep. Tip that round. That's nice now, that. It's raining. We're all nice and cosy underneath the tarp. Nice DD tarp. And them two things there. Absolutely machines. Look at them things. Oh. That's what it's about. As the rain is beating down.
Look at that.
Lovely.
All yours, dude. Oh, yeah.
Right, so we managed to pack everything up. Leave no trace. Time to hit the road. It's only a bit dark, so we're racing against time. Got to turn these big lumps around now. Said than done. Really lost it then. Really dropped it then. Okay? Yeah, I'm good. I'll get out of here, it's slipper. One thing they're not good in the wet. Let's do it. tricky this. It's on a slant. Yeah, man. That was slippery, eh? That was very slippery. Just for these big bites. Right. Happy days. Happy days. To the road? Yeah. Ooh, back to tarmac.